It's going to take us through that, and the verb things we can use. It's going to take us through that also. So stay tuned. So before we start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that. And very important, very important, go to his channel, Ceejaykeyz. Don't worry, the link to his channel will be posted in the description box and the first comment. You see it there. Also, the name of his channel will flash on the screen, Ceejaykeyz. Don't worry, subscribe to his channel. So I will wait, I will give him the room. You do everything.
Hi everyone, my name is Ceejaykeyz. I'm also known as Ceejaykeyz. So a quick one, we're going to be going to how to play Makossa. How should you play Makossa as a pianist? Makossa actually comprises of four main basic chord, which is your 1, your 4, and your 5. So, and then how does it go? Makossa, the major progression of Makossa is just to go forth and back, 1, 4, 5, 4, and 1. Let me quickly run through with you with the music. 1, 4, 5, 4, and 4, 5, 4, and 1, and 4, and 5, and 4, and 1. So like that. I'm in the key of F major. So you can actually play that on virtually every other key, all the other 11 keys. So the next question is, what would you do if there is no lead guitarist? You are the only person, and with the bassist and the drummer, what would you do? You can't just make dominant your hands. You have two beautiful, talented, and good hands. You have to make good use of it and be full as possible, and make sure that there's no noticeable person or other instruments, since you are the major person around. So you have to make good use of it. You have just spice up your progression with some good notes in your right hand while you are accompanying yourself with the left hand. You know, like this. How do I play that? You know, I have A and F, then you have D and F, B flats, is it? And like that, like that. So let me play along with the music. Like that. The other one I did was, then I doubled it. Yeah. So the next thing is, what would you do? Assuming everybody is full, you don't want to be too busy, you don't want to complicate the music, you don't want to, everybody. So what would you do as a pianist? You have to just play your basic chord with vampings. So what did I do? As simple as that. You don't want to complicate issues with that. No? Let's go. That you can do, you can also add some other spices, assuming there's You know, there's no lead guitarist. I'm going back to there's no lead guitarist now. You know. Yeah. So what did I do? Just roll all the way from C, A, G, F. Mainly, I'm thinking about pentatonic and major scale here. Pentatonic scale are just 5 from the word pent. So, and if I want to play on the chord, you know. So let me play along with the music. Let's see how it goes. So anyway, that's that. You know, it's just as simple as that, as simple as ABC. You don't have to force anything. Let it come fluently. Let it come, you know. But the main thing is just rehearsal. They are the main thing. Rehearsals is the main thing about music. Any day, anytime. Whether you're a pro, whether you're a beginner, you're start from basic, you're a medium player, and you know, that's all. Thanks for having me. I really appreciate it. Peace out.
Wow, I've learned so much. Thank you so very much. Wow, this is interesting. This is glorious. This is great. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope you've learned something. My fans, I hope you've learned something. Okay, so stay tuned for more videos. So we are going to be featuring some other guys, other fantastic pianists. So stay tuned and we're ready to learn. Cross your legs. Right. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.